Hi there, my name is Meghan Freed. I am one of the founding attorneys at Freed Marcroft. We're a firm who limits our practice to divorce and family law. I'm here to talk to you today about why you should move forward with your goals and planning conference and what happens at that. One of the things we've learned here is that every human has a decision-making process that he or she goes through when we're doing our best work making a decision. The first part of it is that we identify problems and goals. The second part is that we gather information. The third part is that we create options, then we weigh possibilities until we make a decision and then take action. If you think back on it, most of the good decisions that you've made in your life, you've gone more or less through this process. So what we did as we designed our process at Freed Marcroft is we designed it around this decision-making process. The Goals and Planning Conference focuses in on one of the things that humans aren't naturally good at figuring out on their own. It's the first step where I said identify problems and goals. We're pretty good at identifying problems. We're less good at identifying goals. So the Goals and Planning Conference is really to get to them, to get to the heart of your problem and get to what your goals are that make your problem a problem. So whether you're trying to decide to make changes to a divorce that's already been finalized, maybe your circumstances have changed, or maybe someone isn't doing something that they're supposed to be doing, we want to really get underneath that and know what your goals are for how to fix this problem. So that if a legal strategy is the right way, we make sure that we design it around your goals. Possible that you're considering divorce and that you're going into the Goals and Planning Conference to figure out if getting divorced is the right thing for you. That's absolutely perfect. When you come in, we will work through where you are and where you want to be. And we can't know until we ask why and why and why, where what you really want to be is. And we will help guide you towards that answer. It's something that only you can do, but what we've done is committed to training ourselves to help you get to that answer. You will know at the end of that meeting what your priorities are. In fact, you'll have a physical list. It may turn out that you don't want to get a divorce, that you really would like to enter into a therapeutic setting to try and work on your marriage. That's great. We have gotten you to your goal of what you want to do with your life. We're happy to help you find the resources to help you figure out if your spouse and you are going to be committed to working on your marriage and getting you on the path towards that. If you decide that you do want to move forward and transition out of your marriage and you've made that decision, you'll also have that priorities list. And what we can do is start building a legal team to design a legal strategy around those goals. If you think about this as a tree and you start with a foundational decision about how you can identify the problem you're feeling in your life and what would feel like a better solution to you, we can make a path for you towards that solution. If it's legal, we're here to help you at Freed Marcroft, and we'll get you going with a legal strategy designed around those goals. If it's non-legal, we will get you in the competent hands of someone who can help you with your non-legal solution. The Goals and Planning Conference is rooted in the idea that we can't possibly be the best lawyers that we can be for you if we're solving a problem that's not aligned with your goals. Thanks so much for your time.
That was perfect.
Great. It says on air, I'm clicking a button,
Now it's
I'm ending